The child that stands before you needs your warmth, security, and love. The Adventure Club is to encourage you in your care of this child, but not to take your place. Parents, do you pledge your participation and fulfilling your child's pledge of commitment to the Pinamalayan Adventist Elementary School Adventure Club? Thank you very much. And now, we will proceed to the dedicatory prayer. Adventurers, you may now blow your candle.